Photoshop Project 5. This is Stage 2, Creating Custom Vector Shapes. Photoshop has a number of built-in custom shape libraries. It's very easy to put complex vector graphics that are pre-made into your Photoshop file. If you go up to Window and select Shapes, you're going to get this lovely dialog box, and you can see that there are a bunch of different pre-made shapes for you that you can put into your file. You can access the same thing in your tool panel. If you go to the rectangle tool, nested underneath is the custom shape tool. It will bring the same dialog box up in your options panel. Very easy to place these items. You can go in with the shape tool and select an item and click to place it, and you can then go in and resize to whatever size you need. I'm going to delete that. Or in the shape panel, you can simply click and drag onto the screen. We are going to create and warp a shape layer. We want to make our fireworks layer the active layer, and then choose the rectangle tool in your toolbar. Let's take the stroke down. I would really rather have like a 2-pixel stroke. The 15 is too harsh, but we don't want to have any color applied to it. And if you pick up your fill and open up the color picker, we want to sample the color of the logo, which is an orange, and then select OK to close the color picker. Click on the left edge of the document window above where it says Outdoor and drag to the right canvas below the banner text. The shape tool creates the vector path, so we have our new shape layer, which is rectangle 1. With that still selected, choose Edit, Transform Path, Warp. In the options bar, open the Warp menu and choose the Rise option. We've used the Warp tool before. We did this in Illustrator with the candy box. Change the bend value to a -40%. The horizontal distortion value should be changed to -25%. And then you can click on the Commit button, and we get a dialog box that says this operation will turn a live shape into a regular path. And then click Yes. Pick up your Move tool and drag the layer so it covers all of the bottom edge of the fireworks. And you can check that. I think mine does. Deselect, reselect, and I think I just need to nudge mine down just a couple of points with my arrow key, and then save the file. Next, we're going to warp our text. Remember, we did the warp text before on the candy box. So pick up your Type tool, select the Outdoor Concert, put your insertion point in there, and select all of that type, and in your options bar select the Create Warped Text button. In the dialog box, again, you're going to choose Rise and change the bend and the distortion to the same thing that we had. We need the minus 40 for the band and a minus 25 for the horizontal distortion. In your layers panel, pick up the rectangle 1 layer, and then with your direct selection tool you're going to adjust the anchor points and the handles to match the shape more to the contour of the text.